My name is Ira, and I'd like to share my experience with you, talking about the firm Davis, Saperstein, and Salomon. They care about you on a personal level as well as a business level. And I just felt that I wanted to get this across to people that are going through situations, because I know firsthand from my injuries that when you're not working because of your injuries and the emotional part of things start to show, because you can't pay your bills and you can't do these things that you did naturally. This company will make you feel comfortable about being in that situation. And any answers, any questions that you may have, they have the answers, and they get back to you right away. It's not one of those things where, I don't have to tell you how these situations go over the phone where you're on hold, or I'll get back to you. This firm doesn't do that. They make sure that, because they know your situation, that they make sure that they make you feel comfortable enough where if you call or if you contact them, they'll get back to you as soon as possible. And that's not just a cliche. And they were always on point. They were always there to help guide me through, to make my situation as comfortable as possible. They will make sure that you feel comfortable, and I keep overemphasizing the fact of that, because that's what they do. And when you have an injury and you're going through a situation like this, you want to have someone that you can touch base with, that's going to care about your well-being. And that's what this firm does. So I recommend, if you want to have a company that's not dragging their feet, and a company that you don't have to chase behind them to get information, to get return phone calls, then you should deal with a company and a firm like Davis, Saperstein, and Salomon.